morning. Welcome back to Friday Morning Favorites. This morning I am featuring a fruit plant. So this is the Goumi berry. Not gummy bears as my kids like to call them, but Goumi berry. So this plant is originally a native of Eurasia, and I wasn't sure what to expect when I put this in here, but I've kind of been amazed by how this thing has performed. So these can get quite large, up to 8 feet. But in the spot that I have it, I like to keep this cut way back. So I come in and basically hack it off in half every single year. The pruning doesn't seem to affect it. I cut it off probably down to 1/3 of its original size last fall, and it's has the best crop on it I've seen so far. The soil that I have it in right here is really bad soil. It's really heavy clay, really compacted, and this plant, I don't water it, I don't fertilize it, I don't do anything to it, and it looks green and beautiful all year round, and as I mentioned, it's extremely productive. The only thing to keep in mind if you decide to grow one of these is it does have some pretty massive thorns. So it would actually make a really nice hedge row. Probably not the best to put in a high traffic area like I have here, but otherwise it's just a brilliant shrub. So take a look at these fruit. So I'm hoping you all can see down in there, but this thing is just loaded. I think this is the best crop that we've had on this shrub so far. They get these small, really quite unusually beautiful little speckled, they almost look iridescent fruit. Now they do kind of have a tart, sweet tart flavor, and there is a little seed inside, but you can eat them seed and all. And I will be honest, they're not like the most extraordinarily flavored berry I have ever eaten, but they're tasty and they're nice to snack off of, and the kids really like them. They're convenient. But overall, I'm just impressed with how much neglect this plant can take and still grow, still produce fruit, and still look quite attractive. So let me know. Have you ever grown Goumi berries? What do you think of them? And what do you use them for? I'm particularly curious about that because all we've ever done is just come out and eat them fresh. The birds love them. But I'm really curious as to what kind of uses they have. I'm sure that they're like some kind of a nutritional powerhouse that I just don't know about yet. But share if you've grown Goumi berries or if you plan to grow them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.